In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a grid for lines in Canva quickly and easily. This process is straightforward and should take you less than 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Canva project where you want to create the grid. Once you have your project open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you will find the File option. This menu is essential as it houses several functions that are crucial for editing your design. Go ahead and click on File. After clicking File, you will notice a drop-down menu appears with various options. From here, you'll want to scroll through the list until you spot the Settings option. Clicking Settings will open up additional tools that Canva provides to enhance your design capabilities. This step is vital as it will unlock the capability to add guidelines to your canvas, which is the backbone of our grid creation. Now that you are in the Settings section, you'll see an option labeled Add Guides. This feature is specifically designed for lining up elements in your design with precision and ease. Click on Add Guides. This action will bring guides onto your canvas, allowing for accurate placement of objects, ensuring that everything aligns perfectly. It's an invaluable tool for organization and aesthetics, especially when dealing with designs that demand symmetry. After selecting Add Guides, you'll encounter several grid layouts to choose from. For the purpose of our tutorial today, we will opt for the classic 3x3 grid option. This configuration will divide your canvas into 9 equal sections, making it easier to manage the spacing and alignment of various elements. Click on the 3x3 grid to apply this layout to your design. This step brings structure to your artboard and serves as a guide for arranging elements symmetrically. Once the 3x3 grid is in place, you might want to adjust the guide slightly or even add more guides for a customized layout. Let's head back to the same Add Guides menu for any additional adjustments. Remember, this step allows for flexibility and creativity in organizing your design elements, providing room for personal touch and precision. Congratulations, you've just successfully added a grid to your Canva design. This grid will help you maintain harmony and proportion in your visual elements, whether you're working on a poster, a social media graphic, or any other design project. Remember, utilizing grids is a powerful way to keep your designs visually appealing and easy to comprehend. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel more empowered in your Canva design journey. Happy designing!